all-purpose flour is a naturally low-fat food. Brown sugar is rich in minerals like iron and calcium. Chocolate is not only delicious, but studies show that it can also promote friendly bacteria. Coconut oil has been found to be helpful for mood and neurological disorders, brain aging, and serious cognitive decline. Almond milk is rich in vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant. Chocolate contains hard, healthy nutrients such as flavonoids, methylxanthines, polyphenols, and stearic acid, which may reduce inflammation and increase good cholesterol.